back once again. I don't know what's going on with Windows, everybody, but it seems like every update, we're losing function of something. With this update, I've lost function to Windows Chrome application. Every time I click on it, it pops up and immediately goes away and gives me this black screen that you're seeing. It doesn't matter which way I try to open it, it still gives me the black screen and pops off. So as you can see, I'm trying this several different ways to open up Windows Chrome and it's not working. I even go to the one on the desktop, still same thing. Black screen and then immediately disappear. I go down to the Windows menu and I look for Google Chrome and it doesn't even pop up going that route. So here's a workaround I found. Go to the Google Chrome desktop icon and right click if you're on a PC, Apple control if you're on a Mac, and you're going to want to look at this first line. Alright, and at the end you're going to want to change this to disable GPU. Alright, that's it. All you have to do. Make sure you put a space, click OK, disable GPU. And now when you click on the desktop icon, there you go. Google Chrome is working and it loads up. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if this was at all helpful. All right. I'd appreciate a little bit of support. I do sell some t-shirts at controversyflatearth.com. Hop on over, check it out. Tell me what you like. Get something. Support your boy. Bonus tip time. Use of double GPUs with Adobe Premiere. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so everybody has this question. Can you use double GPUs with Adobe Premiere? No. Let's lay that to rest right now. Putting it in SLI mode will only slow it down. Adobe, you want more cores on your processor than using multiple GPUs. Only if you're a gamer or something like that will multiple GPUs help you out tremendously. But if you do have multiple GPUs and you have two good ones and you want to use them and take full advantage, then here's what you do. Alright, right click on your NVIDIA desktop icon. You want to go to 3D settings. Alright, and then in that setting you want to go to program settings. Now here you can set up which program is going to use which GPU. Alright, so that means you can make one of your GPUs control your monitor and everything else. And then that second one, you can use all that power that Adobe will use when that backup setting for your effects and all that other stuff that you want to put on. You can make that one just for your Adobe stuff. All right, now I have 3 different GPUs, all right, because I learned this the hard way. Shut up. All right, so I only use it for my open GPU settings. And then I just pick which one I wanted to use. So I'm gonna put it on the 1080 GeForce, right? And I would go through all my Adobe programs and I would use that setting. Okay, now this does a whole lot. You could go in here and play with other stuff if you want, change your codas, but I just like to use it for the open GPL. And that's it. There you go. You will speed up your Adobe settings much faster that way. than if you have it in SLI mode. For stumbling onto my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button for me. And if this helped you out in any way, feel free to leave a comment. Again, I'd like to hear from you. And don't forget to help and support this channel. I do sell some t-shirts on Controversy Flat Earth with some interesting subjects on them. You might find something you like. Go up on over and check us out. Support your boy. Till next time. Peace.